Hello everyone, my name is Leroy the Great, and welcome back to another World Boss video. Today, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be trying out the rocket launcher on the new map. I've seen a lot of people put it to good use. I tried making a few videos about it. None of them ended too well, but I think I might have found the perfect balance for it. Maybe. I have to get a little bit lucky, but I think I can do it. So yeah. If you guys... we're gonna do the same thing again. I haven't done it in a while, I guess. The last video I didn't do it either. We're gonna set a like goal of 1 again. So please like the video, and if you like the channel, subscribe. Wow. Let's get the fire, airborne, impulse. I have no health right now. Yeah, so the rocket launcher is decent. It took some getting used to, but I've gotten a whole lot better with it. So we're gonna see how well I can do. Lots of hearts. It's an XP generator. I messed that up. That's fine. But yeah, I've discovered a combo that goes pretty well with this. I already have the flame and the airborne. That is going to help a ton. I did not know if I was going to get flame. That's kind of the main part of this. Well, a main part. It just helps do extra damage. Oh, come on. Let me up here. There we go.
World boss incoming.
There we go. That is unexpected. I just got AoE as well. This is a really lucky start so far. I normally am not this good at getting buffs. Well, this lucky. So we'll see how if it continues. Pistol's actually kind of overpowered, so I've also taken a liking to it. It compensates for my close range, so like when I don't want to absolutely obliterate my own self. Huh. So yeah, this is a really lucky start. We got flame, we got airborne, and we got AoE. That's gonna be a big one. Magazine size, also a good one for this. There's 2 buffs that I really want though, that are even more important than. I guess we'll take grenade. But there are a few buffs that are even more so important than any of those. Those are like damage if I'm doing, you know, combat stuff. I need movement. That was sad. Still not good, but I mean, I'll take 2 airbornes, and I mean, I just care to get movement. I don't, as you saw, I don't really care for the air slide. It's okay, but it's with the amount of stuff I'm going to be having to remember to do. Now let's see. No. I mean, melee impulses enemies away. Sure. Oh, yeah, that's a whole lot better. That used to have to get headshots for increase, a 10-second increase. So they have changed some buffs. This is kind of nice. Got him. More health, sure. darn it. Oh, did I pick AoE on that one? I think I did. Yes, I did. Okay, you know what? I'm fine with that. I still am lacking 2 of the buffs that I need. I also need health now because I've lost so much of it. Come out, wherever you are. Ah, gosh darn it. Glad I didn't catch myself on fire. That would have been pretty sad. Oh lord, which one is this one? It's not the city one, or is it? No, I think the city one's normally over there. Still need a bit more XP. Dang, this fire rate lasts a while. It's also a whole lot cooler to be able to actually use it. Oh wow, we might win this already. That's a lot of defusing. Still not what I want. More ammo is always better, but I need movement. Give me movement. Hey, look at that. Oh, there's our next victim. No. None of these are exactly good. Sure, I think maybe taking a movement buff will hopefully increase my chances of getting a movement buff. And boom, gone. That is actually kind of nasty. No, he has the explosive buff. I forgot it's almost a guarantee to get that now. Headshot. Explosion radius, sure. Not you again. Oh, it's not him. Never mind. I thought it was someone else. Yeah, he has. Those are nasty combined. Alright, I made a video on that actually, showing how overpowered that combo was. I can't imagine it's gotten any less overpowered. Ow. Oh, you're still here. Oh, that explosion almost got me. Oh, hello, goodbye, hello. I'm out of here. No, I'm not. Nope, and I missed. Gosh darn it. Oh, he had shield breaker. Shield breaker and that's kind of ridiculous. That is actually a pretty good combo too. I almost have everything I need for this, but I need. Hello. I'm fighting a world boss. I have no buffs right now. None of the ones I need. Are you backstabbing? Trying to friggin' disarm the world boss thing, and he just murders me. Not the guy that set me on fire, the other guy. I don't care if you set me on fire. I mean, I'm not dead. It's just. Oh, we might get it. Yes, okay. That's the first piece I need. More sprint speed. That is going to be so nice. I know you're probably like, oh, never mind, we need to not go.
Come back.
Come here, you. Oh! Ooh! Oh, that did not feel good at all. Airborne. Oh my god, the fire rate is kind of weird. Just launch salvo after salvo after salvo. Oh, you buddy, you are. Oh. Oh, dang. Woo. I swear that man should have died right there. More AoE. We need to get more movement stuff. Also, I need to get health, because if I die, that's gonna be sad. That's the Arctic. Crap, the Arctic normally has some heals. Ah, coward. None of these are what I need. Sure. Gosh darn it. And boof. Crap. Oh, I'm already in it? What? Oh, nope. Out of here. There's the health I need. Ah. Now I feel a bit safer. We gotta defuse this thing. I don't care that I died to the world boss. That was beautiful. Shield. Oh, that's tempting. That is so tempting because we need height. Damaged shields though, because that means I could like. But I already do like max shield damage. That's fine. Sure. Yes, that's beautiful. Beautiful. It's finally starting to come together. Now we can start doing some movement tricks. Not movement tricks, just moving kind of crazy and dip, dive, and dodge. Woo-wee! I'm out of there. Chuck a grenade. And got him. Got another jump. Beautiful. Arctic. Give me that heart over there. I know you have it. Also, I saw a drone with a heart, I thought, 2 seconds ago. That's fine. Booyah! I love that they added iron sights to almost everything except the rocket launcher. I still would prefer if the rocket launcher had an iron sight, but you know, can't get everything. Cool. Gosh darn it. He got me with the fire. Okay, we need to go back. Ooh. Hopefully the heart up there's vacant. No, it's not. Ooh, we need to hide then, because I don't want to lose a life. Ah, crap. I have worked far too hard to get this setup going. I am not losing it. Come on. Ooh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh no, we got a level 20. Woo, okay then. Yeah, baby. Oh wait, I had jumps. Why did I use that? That, my friends, is where, oh, well, I mean, but we set them on fire. More damage or more big booms. More big booms. We're not gonna prestige yet. We just gotta get some kills. This is where it comes down to being overpowered, and now we also have incredible move speed. I just gotta find some people. That's one hit. Ah. Wonderful. Oh wait, I can't take any more. No! He betrayed us. Full refill on lives though. Aha, baby! We're back in the game! Hello. Gosh darn it, her Tesla got me. Oh, she's so close to death. I don't care. This is by far some of the most broken stuff I've done. Ooh, hey. Oh. Oh, apparently there's a combat zone limit now. Didn't stop me from killing him. Oh no. that is. This is the most fun I've had with a rocket launcher ever. Where can I find a heart? That's health. Nearest heart. Nearest heart somewhere over here, if I remember right. Yep. Okay, now that I'm starting to finally get... Oh. Well then. That kinda sucked. Gosh darn it. I just got that too. Oh well. There's still many more hearts to get. Whoa, hey, buddy. Don't come peeking around this corner, are you all? Alright, that's right. I'm max leveled. Oh, you Come on, come at me. Hit me with your best shot. Fire away. Oh yeah, that's right, I still have an air dash. You're about to get AC-130 gun-shipped, boy. I can spit out rockets like nobody's business, believe me. Woo, hey! Gosh darn it. Sniped by a complete incompetent. I'll give him credit for using the burst. That's the only thing I'll give him credit for. Now, let's get this heart that someone already got. Why do I keep shooting those down? It's like reflex. Wow, okay. Over there, I remember. Why touch the ground when you have jetpack and infinite jumps? There we go. Now, back to massacring people. Because I can. You insolent little... Oh, okay. Cool, I can do that too. Was he trying to give himself infinite ammo? No. He's trying to kill himself. That's funny. I love this infinite movement. Huh, he died again. Perhaps I should be a world boss. I don't know. Would I want to finish the game for everyone? No. No. He had a mini nuke. Are you kidding me? And he blew up with like... I saw them, I saw them. No way that hit anywhere vital. Yeah, that's what I thought. Wow. Ooh, that hurt. I'll never know that.
World boss incoming.
Payback.
World boss
Activate! Burn X speed at charge corruptor, okay. Got him. He thought he could ring around the rosy me. No, sir. I'm going to obliterate all in my way. Now, I can't die. Well, I'm not allowed to die, because otherwise I lose a lot of stuff. Ow, 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 ow. There we go. Well, I think the fire rate increase after every kill is definitely helpful. AC 130? Oh, I thought I could get someone. I'm here. Choose a zone to corrupt. Okay. I feel like a mayor and his citizens. Hey guys. I just need movement. I don't actually need to survive. Well, not survive, I mean shoot. God. I am world boss. Oh, that felt so good. Gosh darn it, I was so close. I was gonna get the health. No, do I have to restart all over again? Yeah, I do. Oh well. That's fun. What are you? What did he hit? Oh, headshots and explosion. Oh wow. He hit me with a wombo combo. Holy crap. Probably should have saved that for later, but you know. Okay.
Come back, kid.
There we go. Okay. Heart, are you up there? No.
World boss incoming.
Here we go again.
World
Boss
boss
activate. Let's do this. You are not gonna kill me that easily. That was kind of sad. Let's go through this city, shall we? Bow before my infinite wisdom and my might. I also have max health, which is kind of nice. I love the sound. Okay. Sounds like there's some fighting in the middle that I could join. If I didn't suck. I will put you in your place. Okay. Next. I am world boss. Ah, hello. Oh, I don't have infinite fire rate. I am a little bit of gratitude. He did kind of save me a little bit. Now, where is everyone? It's almost like they're hiding. There's someone. Hey, sir, would you like to talk about our Lord and Savior, World Boss? No? Ah. That man just teleports away as soon as he sees me. It's kind of sad. You know what? I'm tired of this. Hold on. Where's the drone? Or perhaps a bunch of people I could throw a grenade at. Ah, okay. Now, who was that pesky person that decided to start shooting me? Now, to corrupt what zone? I'm gonna go Arctic this. Oh, I have to choose which zone. Oh. Let me just sneak a grenade. Here we go. Go, unleash, unleash. Oh, got a kill. Now I have infinite fire rate. I'm kind of drunk with power right now. No! So close, yet so far. That's good. I think I'm gonna end it here, guys. This combo is a lot of fun, but clearly it still needs some getting used to. I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like and subscribe, and also comment if you want to see more of this. I know most people aren't exactly optimistic about this, you know, game, but I kind of like it. So, you know what? I'm still gonna play it. So yeah. See you guys next time in World Boss.